Hi and welcome to a new video. Critical alerts on iPhones are Apple's priority notifications, typically reserved for urgent issues that have been detected. If you receive one of these alerts, it could be about your home automation system or smart devices connected to your home app. Although it is fairly easy to dismiss these alerts from your screen, there are times when it will instead remain in this state, causing your screen to become unresponsive. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue on your iPhone. Let's go. When your screen becomes unresponsive and you are unable to interact with anything outside of the notification, the most effective solution is to force restart your device. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone X, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone has restarted and your screen is no longer stuck on the critical alert notification, disable this configuration to prevent the error from recurring. To do this, open Settings and navigate to Notifications. Locate the Home app from the list and toggle off Critical Alerts. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.